Hello students, we start our lesson number 2, The Happy Prince, which is written by Oscar Wilde. So student, here the biography of Oscar Wilde is given to you. So you have to read it. Now, in this story, he describes the pathetic plight of the poor and also the selfish attitude of the rich. The story teaches people to have love and compassion for the poor and needy. It also highlighted the good actions, charity, and compassion bring enduring peace and happiness. So, students, it is the story of a statue and a swallow, which is a bird. Now, the statue name is Happy Prince. The story starts that there was a statue of Happy Prince in a tall column of city center. It was covered with golden leaves. In its eyes, two bright sapphires are used, but shining in his eyes, a ruby was fitted in his sword hilt. He was much admired by everyone. Now the story goes on that one night, a little swallow flew over the city. Now his friends had gone away to the Egypt. He stayed there because he was loved with the most beautiful reed. You find that in this paragraph. Now the swallow came and sat on the statue. Here, statue. He decided to pass his night there. As he was going to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. The swallow was surprised, for there was no cloud. Then there was a second drop. Swallow decided to fly and find shelter somewhere else. At the same time, there was a third drop. The swallow looked at the statue. He found it was weeping. How the statue was weeping? Now, the statue of Happy Prince told him that when he was alive, he knew no tears. Now, when his statue is set at a height, he can see the miseries of people. He told the bird about the dressmaker. Her son was suffering from fever. He asked the swallow to pick the ruby from his sword hilt and thus to help the lady. First swallow denied the prince's request, but later he agreed. He helped the woman and her son. Now again, the Happy Prince requested the swallow to stay with him one more night. Now he wanted to help the playwright. When his second work was done, the Happy Prince requested the swallow to help the match girl. Her matches had fallen in the gutter. Swallow helped the girl. Swallow promised the prince to stay with him forever. The Happy Prince requested him to fly over the city and tell him about each happening. The swallow informed him about other miseries in the city. He told him about the poor people and hungry children. Each time the prince requested him to help the needy by taking out golden leaves from his body. Now when the winter came, the swallow grew older and colder, but he would not leave the prince. The prince desired him to kiss his lips before leaving for Egypt. The swallow said that he was going to the house of death. After that, he fell down. And died. All of a sudden, a crack sounded inside the statue. Early next morning, the mayor, along with the town councillor, happened to pass by the column and decided that the Happy Prince was no longer beautiful and useful to them. The statue was melted in a furnace. The mayor declared that the statue must be made with the metal. His own statue must be made with the metal. Strangely enough, the broken heart of the Happy Prince did not melt in the furnace. Now, strangely enough, the broken heart of the happy prince did not melt in the furnace. It was thrown in the dust near the swallow. Now, God asked one of his angels to arrange for him the two most precious things in the city. The angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. God said that the bird would sing for him forever and the happy prince would praise him in the paradise. So student, this is the summary of that whole chapter. I hope you can understand. So your homework is to read the chapter and try to understood it. Okay, thank you.